In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find what Shopify apps any store is using. This is really useful if you're doing competitor research, trying to recreate a store's functionality, or just curious about how a particular feature is being powered. The best part is you don't need any special tools. All you need is your web browser. Start by opening the Shopify store you're interested in. This could be any store that you know is built on Shopify. Once the homepage is fully loaded, move your mouse anywhere on the page, right-click, and choose View Page Source from the menu. Depending on your browser, this might be labeled slightly differently, like View Source, but it will always open a new tab showing the raw HTML code of the page. Now, this page might look overwhelming at first, but we're only interested in a few specific things. To make it easier to find them, use the search feature built into your browser. On Windows, press Ctrl+F. On a Mac, press Command+F. You should see a small search box appear, usually at the top right of the screen. In that search box, type cdn.shopify.com, written as one continuous web address. This is Shopify's content delivery network, and it's where a lot of theme and app files are hosted. When you search for this, your browser will highlight every place in the code where this appears. From here, scroll through the search results and look for script URLs that seem app-specific. These are usually lines of code that load JavaScript files related to a particular app. Often, the app's name will appear directly in the URL or in the nearby code. For example, you might see something like a URL that includes Klaviyo, Recharge, Judge, Lux, or Bold. These are all names of popular Shopify apps, and seeing them in the page source is a strong sign that the store is using them. If you already have a specific app in mind, you can skip straight to that. Instead of searching for the Shopify CDN, just search the app's name directly using the same Ctrl or Command+F shortcut. Type in the name, and if the app is installed and loaded on that page, you'll usually see it appear somewhere in the source code. By combining these two search methods, you can quickly build a picture of which apps a Shopify store is using, simply by looking at the code behind the page.